Okay, this is the second stage of the cleaning where I will be taking the garden hose to the PR99 Mark 1. So spray them up real good so the dust and so the dirt and grime kind of soften up. Then I'll take a paintbrush to it. Here are some of the cards I already sprayed up. Now I have to be holding the phone while I take the video, and I am right-handed, so you know how that goes. All right, still got lots more to do, but I just want to demonstrate what I do. See that? This cleaner really works well. It's it lays totally awesome. It's really work well. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go over it again a couple more times and take my time and then let it sit here to dry. As far as the main body goes, I will leave this to dry for several days to make sure that no water is lodged in it. All right, catch you on the next phase of this. Bye.